Hey, how's it going, everybody? I just wanted to kind of join the bandwagon and try this turntable out in the Beta Illustrator. So here I am taking an old file from a project I worked on for my job at Honeycut Inc. It was a little jazz a little jazz celebration social media post. So yeah, I grouped I just took the head and I grouped it all together like you're supposed to do, and then activated turntable. And as you can see, I was like really surprised at how well it translated or interpreted the really flat graphic style that I did for this particular piece. Yeah, that's the kind of worm's eye view, and then you can do kind of a downward looking view. And one of the more really impressive things for me was seeing how it kind of took the ears and knew exactly where to place those when I like rotate them through space. Like you'll see like this kind of behind like this back view of the head where the ear angle is really kind of just spot on. So I was like really impressed there. This is it right there. Just really impressive. Like, in just a few clicks of a button, I'm kind of able to get a turnaround for a character. As with most of the people out there who have been testing this out, they'll tell you it's not perfect, and it's totally not. But what I do get excited about is that there's some help as far as like when you are trying to do a turnaround and you can kind of wonder, well, what's he look like, or what's this character look like at this angle? So it kind of helps you out. And I'll show more about that at the end of this video, how that could help. Here I'm taking my character Mad Alien and I'm running it. As you can see, I'm not getting as cool results. I feel like it really wants to give the character two eyes. I don't know if that's just something built in, but he obviously is supposed to have one eye. And I'm giving some, I'm expecting a lot from this turntable to take such a graphic looking character and try and, give it this much dimension. So I'm wondering what it really takes. Like, is it shadows? Do certain colors respond better? Because I just was really impressed with the jazzy blue character that we looked at the beginning of this video. But yeah, still very cool. I mean, the stuff that we're able to do now is super exciting. My mind's already trying to think of ways to make this work for me, if there's any ways. So here is another character, and I ran it through. It's the originals on the left, and then the Illustrator ones are on the right. And as you can see, didn't do such a great job interpreting it, especially kind of that profile view. It's very flat, which again, these are flat design characters. But what you can do is kind of use that as reference, and then I drew on top of it kind of the way that I felt the design should work. So it kind of helped me along the way, which I really thought was cool. But you guys tell me if you think this is cool, too cool for school, or if it's lame. But yeah, I just thought I'd mess around